Hello scholars, in this activity we're going to fill in the blanks. And basically, starting from this very first problem, at what time did the first class end? I want to find out this time. So if I started at 8:20 and it took me 45 minutes for that first class, I need to add 45 minutes to it. So 8:20 plus 45, I get 65, and it'll be 5 minutes because we have to carry that 60 over to the 8 to the hours, so it becomes 9:05. 9:05 a.m. Alright, now erasing that, let's talk about problem number 2. How long did this first game last? Well, this first game lasted from 1:45 to 2:35. So I have to subtract those two times to find out the elapsed time. And when I subtract, I notice I need to borrow. So this becomes a 95. 95 minus 45 is 50 minutes. So it's 50 minutes. And in this next problem, when did the train start? If the first leg of the train went for 2 hours and 20 minutes and ended at 4:50, I can subtract 2 hours from my ending time. I can subtract 2 hours and 20 minutes to find out my starting time. I get 30 from 50 minus 20, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So my train started at 2:30. Next problem. How long did the marathon last? Well, I have a missing time here and a missing time here, but I'm looking for this entire block, right? If I'm looking for the entire block, well, I don't even need to worry about this middle time. I can just ignore that. I can just go with this time and this time. So from 6:55 minus 2:35, 55 minus 35 equals 20, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. It should be 4 hours and 20 minutes. And last problem. At the second stop, ooh, this might be a little bit more difficult, but I think we can do this. At the second stop, I want to find the final time here, but I have the elapsed time and the initial time. So I can just add these two together. 5:40 plus 55 minutes, and I get, well, 95, right? 55 plus 40 is 95, but I have to take 60 away from that and add an hour here. So it becomes 6. So ultimately, the time it stopped at the second stop was 6:35.